This Remax Crown Realty property video is presented by Gus and Khristine Brugger. Well maintained and clean as a whistle. This beautiful 3-bedroom 2-bath home has vaulted ceilings and a split floor plan in a fantastic area of the paradise that is Sebastian FL. Large enclosed porch, laundry room, 2-car garage, county water, low traffic street. Lawn care included. No pets. For more information, review the details below or contact Gus and Khristine Brugger at 772-360-6787.